Welcome to episode 29. We are entering the flat. Today I'll be focusing on two major areas which was lined up for waterproofing. So this I've already explained you in my last video. We have completed the entire plastering of this area. Plus even the kitchen proposed sink area wall plastering has been done. So now let's focus here. The plumbing pipe shifting which was done, there were two holes which were through and through. So what you see here is the waterproofing which is done to seal the two holes. We have completed that waterproofing. Now today we have completed even the ceiling plastering for the living room area. What you see here, yesterday I was mentioning about the double layer of covering for the window area so that the debris or the plastering doesn't fall off. You can just see I have not completed the entire stretch. It is always better to do it in parts. Now we are entering the master bedroom. In the master bathroom, we have done the waterproofing. The second coat of waterproofing which was lined up has been done today. So I'll be explaining you that. What you see here was the first coat of chemical plastering. Now here you see bricks. The bricks we usually soak the bricks one day prior so that it is completely ready to use. Post laying the bricks, the full slurry of thick coat of waterproofing chemicals has been applied here. So this is how it looks post waterproofing. Now this will be curing this for a few more days to make sure that there is no water seepage at all from this level. So apart from this, the other work which was happening was the minor work which was happening in the other bedroom as well. Some patch plastering which was left, we have completed that. Curing is all going on. We don't compromise on curing because that is how the strength of the slab and strength of the plaster enhances. So that is the reason why I focus more on curing each and every day. We have a habit of doing it 3 to 4 times minimum. Now this area will be done tomorrow. He's cleaning the equipments. The rest is the same plastering what we have already done. I hope you are learning a lot from this series. This is scheduled for tomorrow. As I told you, we do it in parts. So ceiling plastering of the living area has been completed. Dining, I'll be doing it tomorrow. So guys, please do like, comment and share. Thank you so very much for being patient. Thank you.